If you want to add extra product option like this in your WooCommerce store, this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you the free way how you can enable extra product fields on your product page. So don't skip any part of this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Even you're using any type of WordPress or WooCommerce theme, WordPress theme, you can definitely enable extra features for your WooCommerce store if you want to add some custom type of fields in your WooCommerce store. So right now I'm using X store theme, and Woodmart theme. You have the best option you can consider for your online store. But if you want to watch the complete videos or playlist about Woodmart, we have a lot of video about Woodmart or Xstore theme. So in the Xstore theme, we already have some extra features, extra option for the WooCommerce store. But I will teach you, if you are using any other theme like Astra theme or any other e-commerce theme, how you can enable those features for your WooCommerce store. So let's go ahead to the WooCommerce and we will able to check what type of options we have here. When you hover your mouse to the WooCommerce, there is one option, extensions. You can also check their extensions. They have a lot of extension when it comes to expand the WooCommerce functionality or features. You can definitely use or pick one of these features for your WooCommerce store. Some of them are paid, but you can go with the free ones. So let's go ahead to the plugin options and we will click on add plugin. When we click on add plugin, we will search for here product. So when you search product in the plugins, it will give you a bunch of other options which you can use for your online store. Example here, product bundle builder for WooCommerce store. If you want to build product bundles, filter everything, we have advanced product field. I mostly use this option, product add-ons, to enable extra product fields in your WooCommerce store. Then we have a product add-on, custom fields for WooCommerce, WooSearch. If you want to enable some premium search feature, you want to enable, you can use this plugin advanced WooSearch. Then we have extra product options for WooCommerce. We will use this one. So let's go ahead, click install. And we will activate this plugin right away. Let's click on activate. Now we will able to check what features we get in this plugin. So let's hover our mouse here, WooCommerce. So let's scroll down. We will able to find this plugin, or you can go to the plugin options and click on here extra product option for WooCommerce. Click on setting directly from your plugin. Okay, so finally we have installed extra product option. And first let me show you my e-commerce product page, how it look like, and later on I will able to show you how you can add extra product option in the front end product page. Let me show you any of my product here. So as you can see, this is my product page here. We have a title, we have a brand information, add to wish list, compare 9 people view this product, and the price, shipping calculation, color. And example, we want to add one more tab here. For example, we can we want to add some additional information about this particular product, or for this particular, even you have a digital, you want to sell a digital product, you can make one category for digital product and you can create separate options for your digital product. Or you can assign and this particular option only will show in the particular category. Or if you want to set for particular individual product, you can also set those extra options. So we have color. If we want to add after, before the cart, here any additional information. Example, we want to add here one box with additional information, so our visitor will able to put information about the product, or if they want, something extra or additional information. So this is our extra product add-on plugin area here, the dashboard we can call it. Let's click on first advanced setting. What we get advanced setting, we have a product having extra option. You can search the modify your product here, select options, simple product, variable product. Okay, you can modify add to cart button text from here, or if you want to hide any other particular option, hide custom field in the cart page. The custom field we will make in the product option that will not show in the checkout page or cart page. You can hide from here, and definitely we want to display the extra product option in the product page. So let's click on product options. Okay, now we will make a new section first, or you can directly make add field. Let's first click on new section. So this is the section. First we need to create a new section where this particular item, or inside this particular section, all the field where they should display. So we can see here display option before the cart button, after cart button. Let me show you. So I want to display before the cart button here. So this is add to cart button. If you want to display after add to cart button, those will display downside here. So first let's make the section. I will name it, or name or ID, anything. Just let me give it name, product, keep it small letters, product extra options. So you will remember the name. So title, you can give any title. Okay, product extra. And display, I wanna display before add to cart button. Display order, you also can display the set order, column 1 width, column 2 width. Show section title in product page. Okay, the section title will show. You can set your title here, or like additional information. Additional info. And let's click on display and style. If you want to add custom CSS class or title class, hashtag or title color, you can set even the color here. You have to click in the box and set the color for this section. Display rule, where you want to display on the product. If you want to display on any particular category, example category. Okay, so let me check which category this product belong to. So we have this product under smart home gadgets. Okay, smart home gadget equal to, let me search for smart, or you can select also all category. If you want to display for all the categories, we use this option. You want to display for all category, but one category you don't want to display, then you have to choose equal not, and then exclude the category you don't want to display. It will display rest all categories. We will select here equal to in, and then all category, save and close. So name ID begin with lowercase, may following number and lowercase. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, let me, name ID can be anything, that's okay. Okay, so we have create the section. Now inside the section we will make additional fields here. Let's click on add field. Now it's time to add, but we want to display there. Field type, we want to display, someone can fill up the number there, phone number, password, email, URL. Text area, text area we use if someone, you allow them to add example additional information. You want to display, you want to let them to fill up the information in the box, or you want to make it checkbox. Okay, or you can make a checkbox example about it can be about the shipping options. Okay, or what type of shipping option you allow them, like standard shipping, premium shipping, then they will able to check checkbox group you can select here, or date picker, you can allow them to pick a date, or heading, paragraph separator, time picker. Let's search for text area. Okay, so now this field will be additional information. Okay, now label will display on the product here. It will display what section or box it is. So we have to provide the label. The label will be additional info, okay, or information. So now we have select the text area, so they will able to enter additional information on the product page. Default value you can put or you can leave it, that's okay. Placeholder, you can put any placeholder like um, anything. It can be anything what people can search there. You can let them know what to type, or placeholder you can set here. Columns, you can set the width here 49%, 50% width, or you can leave blank. It will be complete width here on the complete box. Row, you can make row height of your row, minimum length, maximum length. Validation, it will validate with the email or phone number, or you can make this option required, or you can enable. Definitely we enable this one. Now let's click on display style, wrapper class, label class. You can select classes here. Label position left, or you want to make it above field. So left side, if you select left side, the product the label will display here, and then box. If you select above, the box will be whole downside, then upper side will be label. So we have to, this is for the label, so I will select here left side. Okay, so label is additional information. Okay, now let's select here display rules, where you want to display this option. You can select definitely category, all category as we select earlier. Okay, add category, all categories. Save and continue. So name ID, the name ID you can keep it like no space, just keep it in the small letters. This is something unique ID, you can call it. You can put it number here, anything. Okay, no problem. Just save and close. Or let me put here additional only. Okay, save and close. Okay, so we have now saved this additional information on the product page. Save changes. So this is now enabled. Now we can check our product if our label or additional information is showing on the product page. Let's refresh it. As you can see, we have additional information one box where the user can put any information we need to ask from them in order to deliver their product. Instead of this box, you can display here check boxes for delivery they need to select. Okay, so you have a lot of options here. So let's go back, let's add one more field. Instead of text, let's make it a number. They will able to add a phone number if you require, password, email, or URL. Slider, range, text area, select. Okay, example select. Okay, so now let's make it label will be shipping info. In the name you can put only shipping. Okay, so placeholder you can put here like premium shipping, that's okay, anything in the placeholder, it will display them. Or placeholder can be select preferred shipping options. Let's add some option for the shipping. First, economy shipping, and then you have to add this sign. So let me check with what this call, and this is pipe, we call it pipe sign. Okay, so you have to add another option after this pipe sign, and economy premium shipping. Okay, so we have add two options. Let's click on display style. So I want to display now above the field. Display rule, I want to display on all categories. Okay, all categories. Save and close. Now we have add another option for the shipping. Let's refresh now again. Okay, you can see here we have a shipping info. They will able to select the shipping, preferred shipping here. You can delete this additional information, or you can make it above, so it will be aligned. So let me go back to the additional here, name, edit, style. Let's make it above field. Save, close. That's all, and save changes again. Now let's refresh if our additional information product page are aligned. Okay, it should be above like this. Let's refresh one time. Okay, now you can see it look beautiful. Additional information, shipping information, economy shipping, they want premium shipping. So you can gather information with the additional product information. You can gather information you required from them. You can add the option. Let me add it. You can field type, you can select multiple field type. What type of information you required. Example, you require them to pick a date, then you can select date picker. Example, switch. You can select here heading, and you can put only heading here. Okay, so let's talk about now heading. Let's add one more option. Now select heading. Okay, the name can be heading with the small letters. Heading text, let's add. Now we are going to give them information about the shipping. The shipping, we will ship out your product within 24 hours. Okay, so we need to provide them some information with the heading text. So we are going to give them information here. Delivery can take up to 5 to 7 days. So 24 hours to ship out, and delivery can take up to 7 days. Okay, so you can select any heading to H2 or H3, prefer H2. Okay, so now this is enabled. So now we have this text. Now let me ask to ChatGPT to make it something professional, look beautiful. So let's go to the chat GPT, and we are going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. So it will rewrite with a nice, okay, ship within 24 hours, delivery can take up to, okay. So now let's go back to our website and paste here. Okay, so now it's time ship out within 24 hours. Okay, now save and close. Sorry, we forget display rules. So I want to display this. Let's add it again. Heading, edit, display rule, all categories. That's all. Let's refresh our page, product page again. Okay, so now we have this information. Ship ship out, sorry for my mistake. Ship out within 24-hour, delivery can take. If you want to make it a little smaller, okay, so let's go back, edit heading and make it h3, ship out. Okay, h3. Okay, now let's refresh again, so it will be smaller now. Okay, smaller. Now you can add, you can display such information on the product page if you want. So let's try out what else instead of heading. If we want to add like a paragraph. Okay, so let's paragraph. Now let's try paragraph to make it more smaller. Instead of heading, you have to use paragraph. Then let me copy this again, paste here. Okay, that's all. Now we will save and now we will check the content will be in the small. We don't want this big heading, so let's make it smaller, so that will look more professional. As you can see, this looks beautiful now. Ship within 24-hour, delivery can make. So this way you can add any information you required from either your visitors or buyers, or you want to give some information about your products. Okay, so this way you can add additional information on the product page. If you have any question, just let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.